Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Warm a 10-inch nonstick or well-seasoned cast iron skillet on medium-low heat for about 2 minutes until it is evenly warm. This prevents hot spots that overcook whites while leaving yolks raw. Crack each egg into a small bowl first to inspect for shells and to make a gentle transfer into the pan, which keeps whites intact. Add 1 teaspoon butter or 1 teaspoon neutral oil per egg, swirl to coat the surface, and gently slide the eggs into the warmed pan to start even cooking. After the eggs are in the pan, keep the burner on low to medium-low and let the whites set without rushing. Expect 2 to 3 minutes for whites to become opaque and slightly crinkled at the edges. When whites near set, reduce to low and cover the skillet for 30 to 60 seconds to steam the tops gently so the yolk surface firms but stays creamy underneath. If you need fully set yolks, maintain covered low heat for 90 to 120 seconds, or carefully flip the egg and cook 10 to 15 seconds on the second side. To check doneness, tap the yolk gently with the corner of a thin spatula. A slight give indicates a jammy yolk, while a firm feel means fully cooked. Avoid squeezing or puncturing the yolk. Remove the pan from heat and let the eggs rest off the burner for about 30 seconds to allow carryover cooking to finish the center, then season with salt and pepper. Serve immediately on warm plates, using a thin spatula to lift each egg from the pan without breaking the white edges or yolks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.